Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now, once you turn on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, it will ask you to select your language. Now, once you select your language, it will show you this QR code. After that, just open the Mi Fitness app on your smartphone, then go to Device. From here, just select Add Device, and from here it will show the name of your Mi Band 10. Just tap on the name of the Mi Band 10 to connect. Now on your Mi Band 10, just tap on Done to pair, and on your smartphone, just select Pair. And from here, as you can see, we have successfully paired our Mi Band 10 with our smartphone. Now on your smartphone, just select Next and tap on Done. Now just select Continue and tap on Next. Now, if you swipe down from the top of the screen, you will see your notifications panel. And if you swipe from the right side, you will see all the widgets on your Mi Band 10. And if you swipe from the left side, you will open the control center on your Mi Band 10. And also you have the option to find your phone. Now, if you tap on Find Phone, your smartphone will start ringing. Just like that. Now just tap on Search. And also you have the option of flashlight. Now just tap on the screen to turn on flashlight. And if you swipe up, you can enable the blinking flashlight. And from here, you have the option of settings. Now, if you tap on running mode, you will have the option of pebble mode and necklace mode. Now, if you tap on pebble mode, then if you select turn on, you can turn on pebble mode on your Mi Band 10. Now to disable pebble mode, just swipe up to disable pebble mode and select exit. And also you have the option of necklace mode. Now once you tap on necklace mode and if you select turn on, you will turn on necklace mode and you can wear your Mi Band 10 as a necklace. And if you swipe up, you can disable necklace mode. Now just select exit. Now after that, you have the option of home screen. And from here, if you tap on band display, and if you tap on press and hold screen, you can enable or disable press and hold to change the band display. And if you tap on band displays, you can find all the pre-installed band displays on your Mi Band 10. Just like that. Now if you go to display, you will find all the display settings on your Mi Band 10. Now if you tap on brightness, you can enable or disable auto brightness. And also if you disable auto brightness, you will see the option of custom. And in custom, you can increase or decrease the screen brightness as you like. And also you have the option of auto lock. And from here, you can increase or decrease the screen time on your Mi Band 10. For example, if you select 5 seconds, it will auto lock after 5 seconds. And if you select 5 minutes, it will auto lock after 5 minutes. And also you have the option of raise to wake. You can also select all day and it will enable raise to wake all the time. And you can also select scheduled. And once you select scheduled, you can schedule a time to enable raise to wake. And also you have the option of screen on for, and you can set a time for your screen to be turned on for how much time. Just like that. Now you have the option of always on display. From here, you can either select smart or you can select scheduled and you can schedule a time to enable and disable always on display on your Mi Band 10. Just like that. Now finally, in the display section, you have the option of cover to sleep. Now once this option is enabled, you can cover the screen of the Mi Band 10 to make it go to sleep. Just like that. Under the display section, you have the option of vibration, and from here you can enable or disable vibration on your Mi Band 10. If you tap on vibration intensity, you can select the vibration intensity of your Mi Band 10. You have the option of soft, standard, and strong. And also you have the option of custom vibration. And in custom vibration, you can set a custom vibration. For example, if we select incoming calls, we can select a custom vibration for incoming calls, just like that. And if we tap on system vibration, we can enable or disable the system vibration on our Mi Band 10, just like that. From here, you have the option of do not disturb mode, and if you tap on DND, you can enable or disable do not disturb mode. Now, if you tap on custom, you can set a start and end time for do not disturb mode. And if you tap on repeat, you can select when to repeat the custom do not disturb mode. Now, under do not disturb mode, you will find the option of sleep mode. And once sleep mode is enabled, it will detect when you're sleeping and it will enable do not disturb mode. Now, after that, you have the option of notifications. And from here, you can enable or disable wake the screen for notifications. And also you can enable or disable notify when worn, and once enabled it will send the notifications when you wear the Mi Band 10. And also you have the option of notify only when phone is locked, and once you enable this option it will only send you notifications when your phone is locked. Now after notifications you have the option of auto detect, and you can enable or disable auto detect from here. And you can enable or disable to get a reminder when it detects that you have ended your workout. Now, after auto detect, you have the option of share HR, and with this option, you can share your heart rate information with third-party devices. Just select turn on to turn it on. Now, to turn it off, just go back, and from here, just select turn off. Now, after that, you have the option of preferences. And under preferences, you have the option of wake mode, and you can select how to wake your Mi Band 10. You can either select tap the screen or swipe up. And beneath wake mode, you have the option of lock screen, and from here you can enable or disable lock screen. Under the preferences section, you have the option of pin, and from here you can set a pin on your Mi Band 10. Just set a 6-digit pin for your Mi Band 10. After the pin option, you have the option of battery, and from here you have two options. If you tap on battery saver, you can enable or disable the battery saver on your Mi Band 10. Now just tap and hold on the screen to turn off battery saver. Now beneath battery saver, you have the option of optimization, and from here you can optimize the battery usage on your Mi Band 10. Just like that. Now after battery, you have the option of system, and from here you can reboot or power off your Mi Band 10, and you can also select reset, and it will hard reset your Mi Band 10. And if you want to connect your Mi Band 10 to a new phone, just select connect to a new phone. And if you tap on about, you will find all the software informations of your Mi Band 10. Now if you swipe up from here, you will open the app drawer. From here, if you tap on stats, you will find all your workout stats from here. And if you tap on workout, you will find all the 150 workout modes on your Mi Band 10. Now in the app drawer, you will find all the other health apps on your Mi Band 10. Now if you tap on heart rate, you can check your heart rate through your Mi Band 10. Just wear your Mi Band 10 around your wrist and keep still while it checks your heart rate. Now if you open the Mi Fitness app on your smartphone, now just go to health. From here, just go to heart rate. You can check your heart rate data from here. Other than heart rate, you have the option of SpO2. Now just wear your Mi Band 10 around your wrist so it can measure your SpO2 level. Now as you can see, it finished checking our SpO2 level. Also, you can check your stress level from your Mi Band 10. Just wear your Mi Band 10 around your wrist. Now just tap on measure and keep still while it measures your stress level. Now as you can see, it has finished checking the stress level. And other than that, you can also measure your sleep, your vitality, and much more. And you also have a weather app in the Mi Band 10, and from here you can check the weather. You also have a calendar app and an alarm app. And also you can download more watch faces through the mobile app. Just open the mobile app, then go to device and tap on manage band displays. And from here you can download any watch face from here. Just select the watch face which you want to download, then tap on apply, just like that. And this is how you can use the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.